Brian here with the West Automotive Group. Hey, today we're going to talk about keeping your transmission cool. The reason for this is most of the failures from automatic transmissions come from high heat or damage or not servicing the unit properly. If you don't service the unit properly, often then you will cause issues that create heat. So there's a couple things that go together here. One is when you have an automatic transmission, you actually have a cooler that's inside your radiator. So you want to keep your cooling system in good working order. If you do that, then the transmission fluid going through the cooler will be reduced in temperature, saving the transmission internally. Inside the transmission, if you run extremely hot, you run the risk of damaging what's called the clutches inside of the transmission. They come apart, and you can end up with material like this stuck in the filter. These are both filters full of contamination. This one here is full of medical particles. This is one of the reasons we want to keep the transmission very clean inside. The only way in doing so, is to service it on a regular basis. We recommend it once a year, 20,000 miles. Now you might say that sounds a little excessive. Well, that's how I service my vehicle, and for a reason. The reason for that is you can definitely extend the life of your transmission. The transmission is one of your most expensive repairs. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.